COP retired Kofi Boakye, Prosper Bani, security advisor. Omanhene Yaw say okoboko say na ochi obeyi sa empanifo na omo djuma so aye. Mamene honorable a member of parliament for Honorable Tobo. Honorable Tobo, good morning.
Good morning, Pastor. What's his name?
Me who ya do official pa.
I think about the Bomedini in Ananya Shrawa. Honorable Peter.
Honorable Peter.
Lanchen,
if I told you 150 a day.
Lanchen, Yan Lantin Boom.
Honorable Peter Lanchen Tobu.
Medas,
Wow, West, Brasebejani. Na, what do police a check or quahum Jim and our West force there be. Come Rasebeja na Echo Boy Chidom na Ejenepa Ebe Boakye. Yo, what Roma security couples. Yen shed the Edikai na security advisor Prosper Bani. They now be no ni security wise. Any foot or Omanhene pa no so on famano.
The Bajam does it. My main Falcon was Namin Chia Chief in Namin Chia Mancasa Moyajmo, radio station home. The Chia Miamitapla, the president of the land, His Excellency President John Dramani Mama, Commander in Chief of the Ghana of the Zayjay, and also the Chairman of the National Security Council. Minia Namin Chia Bediaki, the woman who made history.
So,
woman, the Vice President in the Republic of Ghana.
That's right.
Her Excellency Professor Jane Nano Pukwajman, Abia Michiano. Minia. President John Dramani Mama, he wants to hit the ground. He's bringing experience to bear on governance. Now, yet what the man didn't see a tomato. 1 week the first trip outside Accra, Eboko.
Yes.
The first trip outside Accra, Eboko. And not so that beer, the vision that said Ghana and Timin say yes, without peace and security, we can't have development. And as a mama of Tiasie, Otu na more call Boko. Otu na more call na Lergo. And Otu enche Obeko. Obeko no.
Sompa 3.1.
We all yari na say. Yambo na ambo enye ye Ghana. Ofiri ho ba na obe drop his names way. Dave na drop them. Omo amudi TPCC ano. Ese one kaso mu say the president's vision is so sharp. And the priority security is high on the say a board in the security circles, and yet Ade Akye Abia na Pakwada. And then the hobium, a Juma in Ade Akye Abia. Miaminia, the former chief of staff, Miaminia, the former minister for Honorable Prosper Bani. Please, he's been a chief of whole of government. He's been minister. And then you see, only the national security advisor to the president. I will never doubt his capacity. I will never doubt his competence. So,
that's right.
It is not for nothing. Say, say, oh no, national security advisor. It is not. It's not easy.
Wow.
And that decision that President Mama taking, me for so and can't be so about personal boa minia Prosper Bani. Man, I year. I say in a young person collective security. So who are they being sent for? Putting one there who can't be because Ghana soon.
Sompa 3.1.
As you are, we are radio station. But yes, sure, so people, Bontina, I say, in Copone, 2 here, not bullet there before we are one. We never right. Obin besides, the radio station is different thing. And a party banner, that be once insecurity breaks loose, party going here, Obama going here, Aquala, Penny going here, everybody is at risk. Anything that security matters are taken serious. And I'm so happy to say, President John Dramani Mahama, or mentioned 3 key appointments is beginning to look at the security of the nation. And I'm sure that within the first 2 3 days, I can watch him. Maybe a minister for defense, minister for interior. The solid complement of the National Security Council.
Yeah, just COP retired Kofi Boakye. But you know, Ebimi Busem, also your National Security Coordinator, Director of Security Operations, you know. But the same thing, and I didn't as now way a different one.
But COP Kofi Boakye, who I say, hey, Kofi.
Sompa
I think that
93.1.
near present year, not just on person COP Kofi Boakye every 1 minute. Because of experience of Kita. And near all year boy in the past few years. Now I say your corporation grow one quarter. Why you might be praying? And I could figure me a minimum. So I'm so happy to say president no near all yana say Pacho Minia bear me in the presidency, director of operations. And what the friend beside me say, I said, I'm doing
Sompa 93.1.
I quite say, I'm quite a very special operations man. And a special operations man, only limit, special operations man, or limit nani papa nankasa. So, near President Ayana say, COP Kofi Boakye, retired, director of operations in the presidency to deal with security matters. He
cuts across
the direct supervisor, just Prosper Bami and the president, Okumi and Saway. So it is like appointing somebody into a special operation network. And I'm so proud, sir, President Manu Sakwanyam. And you want to know on the president, I'm not playing Omunantibum.
not just say Honorable Tobu, not just say about issues that has to the military. Issues that has to police, issue that has to prisons. If there is any security issue, I was a director of operations, a common or other information, bro, Mampenia. He goes there.
When you say you are a special operations person, the specialty of your skills, and the president. So sometimes in special operations, we don't define it too much.
Okay.
Yes, you are director of operations in the office of the, or you are in the director of operations at the presidency. Only president na year.
Okay.
So now they are still say, Ade president Beka say menya manu, and no na meya manu in relation to security.
As and when an issue come, no presidency move. It's not even as and when an issue comes. As and when the president thinks that your ideas will be required to do something, or he can give you a project to run. I will say, Bibia can see, but president anticipates a debate to say, no, or catch us a patch of chassis, and you win. Now you say, unlimited to a point.
He's not limited. No.
Okay. Matiwasi.
He's not limited. You are only limited to the limit of the president.
Okay.
You are limited to the limit of the president.
This
Director
is
operations.
not just a honorable Tobu. This is a huge tax. Honorable Tobu, this is a huge tax on the shoulders of COP Kofi Boakye.
Oh, but Ali, Kofi has is bubbling with energy.
Okay.
He's bubbling with expertise. I know. And I say, we are my friend. And I'm a friend, and I'm busy. I'm telling you that also that Kofi, Kofi can start work. He doesn't need to go and repress it. And the president, Mama, or appointing Kofi, they hit the ground run. You know, all United Nations are one. Oh, it's in Kofi for Mojima. Yes, so they look at your expertise, they look at your experience, they look at your competence. One casa on your own, you start work. So interview also. I also want to come to the international scene and come to international politics and then global security. I don't know about you, boy. So that is somebody like
DCOP Osman Razak, National Security Coordinator. DCOP Osman Razak. We are told na Omanhene John Dramani Mahama. Mampeni nani aid no. Ona no jina nechi. Ona ne koba. National Security Coordinator. Ono so who ni say?
DCOP Razak. He has a degree in economics. I'm saying no, economics.
Okay.
Already police no. Or your lawyer to say I can say.
Okay.
Or your ADT to President Mahama.
Okay.
So in terms of diplomacy or in terms of close protection security or
that's right.
In terms of political security what you say. And I don't know what to Kofi Annan International Peacekeeping Training Center. It's an area of research.
That's right.
It's an area of peacekeeping learning. It's an area of diplomacy. What now for I think 7 years.
3.1.
Only Professor Kwesi Animwaya Juma person.
Okay.
So me chin the and I'm say, you see, the National Security Code on allow name or coordinating here. On your National Security boss. So people look at the head and there's a National Security Coordinator, me pacho on your boss. His job is to coordinate according to Act 1030. Who set the job description of a National Security Coordinator? It's very clear. You coordinate intelligence and share according to the need to know. Now, comparatively asking, what is that? What gather intelligence the whole time? Oh, the way there. Are there a police phone and somewhere else way? You release that particular information to police and they take action and report to the president. Or you report to the National Security Council by the president. But the National Security Council is chaired by the president and not National Security Coordinator.
That's right.
The Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces is not the CDS, it is the president. So people should understand that National Security Coordinator and who and I was driving Nema around, just sharing information, gathering information, analyzing and sharing it for effective security in the system. So Eba Nema, Noya Kwala Wuma, on your boss. I think that Minya Razak Otia says a Jumapa Ediamanon. And all of us will support him to succeed. Because it is very important, say, the past administration, we've turned the national security into another organ of state. So we need to begin to think about how to disarm people, how to demobilize people, how to reintegrate people as the DDR. It's a professional job. I mean, the appointed National Security
Sompa 3.1.
Yansha Charles Copy, NIB boss, National Investigative Bureau. How well do you know him? Say now, Unifa.
Already, MSN Jimoma is like Kofi Annan, or you and the first inside out UN Secretary General, you appointed from inside that nature system. Is make a mark. Yeah, Kofi Annan. When you're back, you make a frequency. Obodima and Crawford Bombs.
The Baja also on a nest. Baja, Hawaii Antony, and
3.1.
Honorable Tobu.
Aha,
Fenam Tonka, I will say a copy. Now, what can I say? No, Antony says he should be a man.
It's a very simple matter because you're from inside and on the one thing. So, we're a career intelligence officer.
Okay.
And for example, say Kofi Annan or Radin Fanakransi, either appointed as UN Secretary General. He was the first UN Secretary General in the system of the UN appointment. He made him back. But short story, for almost how many years already more UN or a system that's a power. Reforms already by he understood what he was doing. So we don't mean you are appointed from national intelligence people. So I don't know. And that crowd he knows what to do straight away. On here briefing, because he's inside the system, he knows what he's doing. I think that is one of the president. Hit the ground running, meaning let your intelligence work, gather the system, put it together, and let's see how you can coordinate with the National Security Coordinator. Now, at least National Security Advisor with the president. Now, the National Security talking about that. National, we have linked that to the point. Say, I'm going to security. I know what happened. National security is police, fire service, military, every security sector put together and defend the national security. But the Nobia to me, national security, I know from I to say, I know see another independent police and immigration. I have Fanipa, it's your Muka so. I mean, these things shall be one uniana, yet on folks was a bishop piano kita walkie talkie. Or see, tell what's up, it's in the more national security.
Sompa 3.1.
Okay. I think a line no higher crabat. What church and him we pa. Or say some penny for ya more way. utie Charles Kopi Nasema also were inside out. Why Juma or National Investigative Bureau at Chentino on the rudiments and the routines and routines and everything about National Investigative into Onya Obi wa Bontain wa Bechelen de Onye. And I know the Kofiana example say Kofiana ye Juma o UN. It's ya pointing no free UN no. Otumi ye Juma ma so we are saying because now nim the ekoso. Ose sana Chaskopi here. This OP Osman Razak, National Security Coordinator, Omanhene ADC. Na osanso so asua de oye lawyer ni osanso so expert Kofi Annan peacekeeping center emfie nson ena wakoye adwuma ho no mo enti oye obi a wo kire economics so eba economy a wonim kakra ho eba emremu a wonim ena security na nso so no aye police ni asaye bambofo kese
Sompa 93.1
okofa DCOP Kofi Boakye retired so a no ye director of security operations to Omanhene Yaw. President move, let's stay, wait a minute. Information be able gather no na about advice Omanhene and national security advisor Prosper Bani, former interior minister, former chief of staff eti security campus here massa utie tobo there the team is solid. I'm on for media group.
Sompa 3.1.
Hey, Asamo. I say look at it. Now what to say? Yamamutri kwa. Ma official pa. We heard him say honorable. Kennedy Agosi can come former MC as Koreman possible be kan sa. I said my mission say free honorable. Ade Akye Abia na ebedi unkomo oral operation recover all loot minority for
3.1
almost say we frɛ say bramenko enyina emra kwan so Omanhene Yaw mama ebra oti say kurukura na onye Omanhene so tumi be no wa otumi di koti kosa yede ni si swei omo a oyi omo pie no MPP for say omu ni ni asem oti ko bia bra yo Omanhene a but sa ora no we former government official and everyone nko almost say ye nyanru ho ye gather information na appropriate bodies ye the ama omo na the police for frɛ and I say NIB for frɛ yoko for frɛ what traffic ne ka say ora for na frɛ we free one ho we so ye Chumberima lawyer NDC legal team and the communication team no ono so asema ono so eto amane lawyer John Dako MP so ame ezedu mame entio yemhwe security no ene ora yes free ora na so obeti security sami ukra nsa but Omanhene second visit region no ya Ashanti kwesi ada wo ba kwesi de emanhia be de na waka eti hu se wo de bokonsam ni nyina ebe sha Ashanti man and sa na why day wahwe siesie na me say
Sompa 3.1
mami ti ono pe
yo oman mefa akwanya so na mama Ghana fo nyina tirinkwa sese ye to abai ewie ye man panyin wonye adwuma nkwa akiride na nso me hu se Ghana fo bebre ko mu adwo na manfo si apini pa se ye nyina ye hwe aba no nsunsu aso a ye hu se na Ghana fo si apini sese ya oman panyin John Dramani mama saba bie mu ni sikankami me hu se amanfo ekomu adwo ye pa oman eye security
Sompa 3.1
apawi we kire me se ni sikankami on fa media agro se yetie ye wura Peter Lanchion tobu ni enkofo ni nyina won ho abakwasem a wo kire ye eda di pefe se obi animde eno so me hu se papa na mean business also obeye 24-hour economy ewia anopa ewia ni anajo ye ya 20 wanya security for asabi omunim dia ade no ne ni suade hu no entimi enti wo ma wapa wo de meka so Omanhene ye bebo na baso waya ade pa Kofi Boakye nyina ye wura asante mem ha de nyina ye nim no ibi wo konkran mem kura ono na o silence yes what they say atai tam o harase Ghana for ne ade day in and day out we akura ne ye robbery Kofi Boakye na man ni nyina adwoye to waba we no ye special operation na operation director security e wo mampanyina ne kwanso ano no ye mo mampanyina mo wa ya ade yo security de ne de me de beto na maba
Sompa 93.1
operation recover all loot Omanhene ye nyina ye te ha ye hunu se omampanyini fo bebre aba ebinom efa ekwan bi so eye na executive powers ya de manu nti etete enema bi ti sese ya bi nanu ya ada na ye mampanyina watwam nanu ya yi ote special prosecutor eno na wo constitution mu ana de ne anim free tete eye ombudsman ya be dane shirak
say omukọ ye
Sompa 93.1
oh na sa health insurance kura ba na mre ni hu so na eye adwuma ye wura president ko 4 penso obi ankasa obi amowa kopem se professor Mills ba ya ode mra ebetoto hu even say kura me no ka say school can say free SHS emra bia na hu enso aye adwuma for 8 years
that's right
and also so ye can say na mehwe mi nua na ade na beto so yi alesnyako John Darko onto no boase
ade
parliament etise school media makwa assembly da assembly ne kase ne parliament ni nyina ye hyehye mra na assembly kura se mi nua Kofi Senya ka wunya no na wo frɛ na obeka kire ye call foforo na na omu no ye seniors
Sompa 93.1
first time onkasa ebedi some months bi ansa na afa kura no be opagya onsa kura wo so wonhunu bare na minim say kuku damfo na anko ni bi ntira dia I don't know na nka wokoto the days of JH Mensa Hakma osu agema no na nka no nko afrache one hwan so obegyina be press conference akọ parliament even 2 weeks kura mai
say be ampanifo na man kwan
ana metro say
enna kuku damfo ni ho
enna kuku damfo ni ho
oye constitutional lawyer nto mu so fi sembre mu no
it doesn't matter ade bia yesua hwe parliament wo say me hunu lawyer fo bia ya wo mu yakasa am yakan say on parliamentary
Sompa 93.1
yeah ebi okura na wotimi ya ade bi yeso onko face privileges committee
omuko ekura ebi a walk past the days
yeah ni nyina on parliamentary
omu watwam ko the other side anka utwam kwa across the carpet
but you want to know what sinsua bi
they didn't know omu ye dey say hey masa sanwachi
o my o kan say bi o so your constitutional lawyer me downgrade no de me downgrade no o say chairman sabunsu ye nyina ye wura okwa no onye lawyer enso hwe adwuma wo ye oto no bo asidi ye wura wo say adu so obeka na wo say adu wo ye tema MP odi na chia ya ansa na ono obam to say adu kwotena ase no na wo so take over me dey me advice me nua keto ano ane say onto no bo ase no onsua
so we MP no
ana me chem si me nua keto ano no yes into o say me dey advice na me dey ma no afa onpa no agyan Omai yewura mampanyini bonto ano saa ora no wanka ho asem ana
okay
eno bia na no kura na Ghana fo gina so kura to aba ma ne kese enti se ne wa ba no de no ye adwuma ne bone ne sei ye nyina ye enti RCC plot aya wo ma cha fanti unhuni adan a aban bongro so ya bu na bedi individuals nsem unhuni tu bisa kwasi broni kwa me nkroma omoje sansa ase ne to wo keke omoje to o ma nchirima omunum se da bi oman no population be increase e be here new infrastructures old one no e be siwo e de aye bibi ti say me kan say
tourist
center oko otumfo fi a e dan ya na say agema prempe the first e use ene da so siwo enu abro san no ye mubu no obi ba no aba behwe say tete won kura say na nanom nimde omutimi di nua eye
Sompa 93.1
abansoro e de si ye ho enti mi hunu bone a ewo ho na emom ebia o mo ya wewe kwakutire no ena bia so na dae no wa ban no mu no se no ye chief executive for baby Ghana Gas dia na no ye
he was a board member
okay emfa ho still a no wa ban no o ya government appointee enti ebia no no so bia kwadi ni nsem ena ehunu ano dia minim nka oman yesi ye pa ya fase a se kata no de wada
se wo se gina mra kwan so
emra ba biem
Sompa
93.1.
So if it's unconstitutional, emre bien si ni kwan so de court.
Okay.
Emre bien si kwan.
Obetimi akọ court. Akọ challenge the constitutionality of oral. To say the brave you see the constitutionality of the fast track high court.
That's right.
Obetimi akọ.
Obetimi di akọ.
Osaso ye mre
press conference we no nyina na me hu ni say ehia bebre. Ya ye yi no say me MP na eni animu mra meka.
That the one pin o ka na hawada.
Oh well, edru ba bia o so ade bo ye ka se kokoye na ofambo pe. Na yasudie na amawo. De bia kan ye na ye ofom. In fact, ye wura say mensa bonsu. Ama swami enye.
Sompa 93.1.
Ama swami enye ni monyam say swami wodini pa because of him.
That's right.
Eti mi mpese ono waba no obeya ade ebe ma swami dini no ebe sinke. So what must your mind? Eno nti na me de me man advice no. Se nya bibia na ye pia se koka. Ebi ukoto bi ni mo obi so mfa na nim kwaji bi. Timi de me futu yo kakra me de man. To ora ne de mi hunu boni bia o man e wo ho. Boni bia ni ho. Cause my site bi de a kire wo. Hwe ye wo constitution ni de emraba tan wo ho. Na yasaba executive instrument.
Yes.
Ya president no ho kwan so otimi.
Sompa 93.1.
Ne de ye de opebia. Enti wo de aya said ye medi ka kan.
Omo Ibrahim Akose emra was say we no. Now we need executive instrument. No ye president elect. Onye president.
Abra no nkrofo na start ye adwuma na.
Now a power ora.
Me a me ka kire mo say me ba ade a meye ni.
Say na wa power omo mandate.
Eno de wo de ama me tifie na me nya obi a. Na me say o me ba meye we nti wo we mu get ready. Me ba ma be ye adwuma bo na ebe na wo hu.
Nti omo se omo adwuma se abra oba ye no.
Yes. Omo so nyi omo na ebe
Sompa 93.1.
Omo de ne say omo de omo gather information.
No omo de amada appropriate quarters.
That's right. Say BNI yo say police yo omo investigate.
Don't be say John da ko apepre ne ho ana.
Opre. Ma sem ni nyina ne say me MP no opre. Onya abotare. Opre. Afen wawura efie. There was a time, I think it's the first parliament. Obi ne dressing cried the walk on out from parliament. I think so no di. Bibi bia santi. Me kai pa. No ye menshia MP. No ye menshia
MP. 93.1.
Enti onya abotare. Minia akwaba. Oni bibi o man. Ye ba mesre no. No ye regional youth organizer no. Na me so me regional deputy youth organizer. Into one year or me body. Okay. Enti onya abotare mo mfa nanim nkogege eniema bebre. Hu boni bia.
Ora no e de hu back enkrofo mu ana.
That's right. Ntina me say ye pai fase. Ye pai afase atano wada.
Ese wonye boni a ni so ye
93.1.
Ye kan nyina no wa wo fi say unsani mu bi no. How what you baby? Boni bia ni hu. Woda wada. Ba wonim say wo mu bi dia. And the Abia, a whom bebo, no start here kick him. Disanity.
Honorable Canada Kwesi can come. Mema Wachima Kwaba. Now, point to say,
I dominant part won't
that about their say. And some of that so also a bar security somehow when you call
Sompa 93.1.
See, Omanhene Yaw national security campus. The national coordinator Osman Razak ne former ADC and I know your DCOP Osman COP retired Kofi Boakye director security operations at the presidency Prosper Bani former interior minister and former chief of staff national security advisor and Charles Kopi NIB boss. Among for say he means business, he means security. Yami Adama Kwesiada Oba Asanteme Ranch
Sompa 93.1.
Now officially we announce to say what the boko and say some na there. I said this awate ho amayati. Afei ora eno a minority press conference say we former government official to say we say Abia we MC Asokoi Mampo no. Ora for frɛ wa nkɔ. when your hint say ora for ne gada information why be from say bra be you ano enyira mra kwan so ti hwe no obi ansi ho na omampani na woni 2 means o timiti sa de abra na o president elect awasi kan come meet you
yo when you are dedicated
Sompa 93.1
na mama obi afihia I think say you two abawie me member radio station ya na esi afi we muso no to abawie ma ba but afi we na as a member na afi na ba
na sa afi na 15th
afi we say that man ti mama obi bia afihia na machia obi bia otie bia machia obi bia otie bia when you are straight to the point security couple so no meti say o frere one MP now can ho say one say for nyina and he has given a very good description
Sompa 93.1
the background of all those people involved. It's a very nice CV. You should all know that Seka CV in Kwadianga Nanka MP for Nanka you should be papa. Yeah, can't of all background. It was very, very good. But the fact is the job did the ground.
I see a form agronoform.
On paper no. A different from the reality. Some policy may sound or may be good on paper. Policies and crophobia wow show mudina ye bo mabodina
Sompa 93.1
but obiena no and now the juma channel sa odimenya hwehwehwe krata kunu anekuta no. It's too early for some of us to even say ya ba aka say obi beti na so obi ntine nye but some man ni nyina no. We have been in it before. We have been in governance for so many years. I've been in political party organization and political party management in so many years.
Okay, political party, but just say okay for national organizer.
Sompa
93.1
Okay.
Say I'm just giving information. My ora no. Me man information. The information wa hanabo. The information e dia breme no. Sompa ora me anam si. Yes. I we na meeting ho a chance for. Yes, so we call national organizer. E be di ho come later. To the to aso.
Nti ya can say no. Maybe as I said, I have been in political party management. I've been in managing.
Sompa 93.1
Sometimes the nipa ni bi ho no mu kan se ma na ya kan sa no a. What you how to be first na west through now I had the picture now more painting na wa hwe. Omanhene. Oma wabo mu di nyina on paper in terms of experience, in terms of everything ni nyina no. They are qualified. In terms of experience they have. But as to say ombetimaya juma no, it is too early for somebody to conclude. Because there's a word that I will say, I will mention here. It is called limitations.
Sompa 93.1
Etimi manipa look very inefficient. The Musa says, Uncle for your mudi nyina. You beti mi amomu unlimited chance among my wajumana. They make hard say. Would they get the free hands to operate
as they want?
Would they allow them to implement the full content of their experience and their qualification?
Especially when the party is also involved.
Would they be allowed to do that? Well, so be praying on. I am not mentioned home because me no enya obedient na why na mahwe. Enya obedient na why na mahwe. Me ye living testimony. I don't even make I talk practical.
I said, never be one Kawunya say, but because of limitation.
I'm saying the word
it's because just say, hey,
that is operational word. Limitation. They make say.
That's it.
Who say, our diplomatic passport and the service passports recalling now, Oman listing now. In the foreign affairs and the information about and Oman listing in a hand. Omunya no betting akwaji umade.
Sompa 93.1
Ombetting akwaji obi ade. Was it all traditional leaders? Omanhene. As I say,
the actual no.
The press release now. Foreign affairs they buy.
All traditional leaders.
Traditional leaders.
Wow, what service passport be a fabra? No me timi ako baby aso ako.
Baby, anytime we the word limitation.
Yeah, exclusives.
Dabio, me there.
What I mean is, us here were all. So, by all is not all.
There are limitations. Oh, the I did the watch. The one was can say for your canning. But if you say, Udru say, oh, call failed on the job on the ground or no. That is where we have to be very careful. And if I may count the word limitation to you,
I get you.
And you bet me in your position, you bet me in your experience, bet me in your records, bet me in the backing of the people. But the word limitation, one word called limitation, can make you nonsense in terms of the job that you are doing.
Okay.
So until
Sompa 93.1.
and Pano Mujas will remember. Omanhene, boom pano, we feel this up, and why when you a bebuagumo. So, etimu, my city. And Crawford do Mabano, apart from the qualification, apart from the experience, share number 4 no year Juma. Share the kind of association that those people have. Now show more Jumo, more year no more dealings. Omanhene, it's not easy. I'm telling you. It's not easy. Even in that field, Omobusia ku omu joining, Omobusia for Jumo mu ye, there no be grofa party for. Eduru say ye kwa ko tamaba na so onko implementing experience and in the position. Can the word limitation leave them to be active? No, I mean, I'm
party form. But I want to be forward director 7.
Exactly.
Party for now, I just say, hey, one way up, enrich and opania, you. African democracy.
Don't mention this. Maybe say no. As I said, the way say Omoyan Crawford under jurisdiction.
Sompa 93.1.
UK now, Modim Braya Juma, Onokrano, Emrano cry, yeah,
no one president.
Of course. Nancy, I know Mokopesa Korea president. Oh, baby, Nancy, I'm going to see an and the book of Rana or no implementing. A faceless thing, a computer and implementing Rana. It is an year and Kunas. He doesn't know that we are security couple here, and now a security couple, a Ikunu, and now we are president, and now we are vice. It doesn't show. What they mention? It doesn't. Until Mutu I was not expecting the person, the MP who spoke to speak that way.
Tobu.
I was there on a nice and near Jabroso. And but security couple doesn't speak like that. Because you need to speak to reality and issues. Speak to reality. On the mention. Yes, all go down, look into the future, zoom into the future. Once I want to prayer, I want to tell any do. But we will be a manage a country. We will manage a company. Now one zooming into the future and look at what is ahead of you. Me would you mention
Sompa 93.1.
And yeah, you mandate the hear me. No, that in Sia woman. And I am sure
obstacles and hindrances.
Because that's what me now system no now just opposed to the laws and those things that happen. As I use the word limitation, but I use the baby. So now who say, hey, Ade Akye. So I said, me sit down way ha. Na asasi we na make far. And why dear? Nipo mutu me you muden. Omo reaction be den. Sabasa me kutu mu force be den. E be kwa ba be see political capital so. Whether it's going to be the party, a good political capital or a bad political capital. Okay? Politics and a political party. Your main aim is to win power.
Okay.
MPP you lose power no. You lose sa. That party na nya juma, so you chairman, so you general secretary, so you organizer, so you MP, so you MC, so you see you now obia fairly. All of us has failed because we couldn't clench political power. And the main aim of every political party is to win political power. Nothing else again. Finish. So Oko election now we need party power. You failed.
Obia.
No, Obia failing. You say we 50% and our passing. Which are 49% to say kakakra can pass. Kakakra me pass here mark.
Almost doesn't count.
No. Me say kakakra can me pass here.
Send your friend almost.
A mark.
A kakete.
Can me pass here mark.
Commentators.
So yeah, the political party no. Ye ni ne way ye ni say ne fine no. So far as we couldn't get political power, everybody has failed.
3.1.
Me told about the platforms and they want to approach him, blame it. Me, I say, have you done your self-introspection? One person now can watch the yeah. Ebia na won kan ban ni wo na your party ni ebia wa no akatu munti ma obi entumi anya dwuma bi because of your silence. Somebody acts in a very wrong way and it affects the fortunes of the party. So to me no me say it will be difficult for me to say. Maybe the bia no asamba na kan ho asama me hwe asem no na me de atoto MPP gains or lose no fortunes of the party say na am I gains and now the fortunes na den. Samoya, no matter who involved.
Sompa 93.1.
Policy way amoye. Make I say usuba way amoye. And no na ese ye dan say and we dey we uya ya no obi akọ no could defend the Godfather. Uya no obi akọ no could defend ni. Uya no I don't know. I'm just it seems that I'm just moving away from the topic. I'm just moving away from the topic. On the TV they make actually be especially before say omo so yes omo so overprotective of their images. Your image nyina hwe from grind ye nyina yare
honorable wawe
yare ye nyina yare eti so dem fat bibia nto nchen na ye hyehyɛ ade ne mra ye hyehyɛ ade no se de sitie bia
Sompa 93.1.
Ebetimi agada tigana ne
all right, let's move on to oral. That's right.
One say me nua ikasa si odiketeke kasa yi ne na sefo o mo ka nyina no who said they are mixing a point. Honorable John Darko ya ne fe no na sema all ka nyina no enye asem bia ehu bia no won kan. He's just been talking, he's talking about the law. And your timing asem no kan. And some bebrebe nyina de nyina no timing no. O say emra wo beti sa abedoko no na onni tum.
Sompa 93.1.
Ya na ese mamra no betimi agina so yati sa abedoko no. And this abedoko no it doesn't have any basis, any grounding in the constitution or in the law. Omuncha the grounding. They should quote us. Whether it's a transitional act, whether it's the Constitution of Ghana, whether it's the Security Act, whether it is Bibia Act Biano. Omun quote the act that gives him the power to form that aura. It was in your constitution. Your constitution is not the laws of Ghana. And to implementing the content of your constitution, no, it's not the laws. The laws doesn't give you a back in your constitution cannot give you the power to do something on behalf of the country. Unless you have been sworn in as the president of Ghana. Near the Akufrana, I know I can't you be behind. If you are no Pecrana, be training penny, papa, go to be only the man. It almost say, that time now, we say, okay, order now, put to go for Gumuno. That time, no one needs 2 minutes. So the best thing that you do is to dissolve it and reconstitute it. And nobody will be found. He can dissolve the aura and reconstitute the aura. See, I to me about shows. I only you will be found. I saw your not tap at them. We are not tap at them. Traditional council. We are here not tap at them. We not check traditional council. You cannot go and check traditional council. No, but we didn't come actually. Oh, but not pattern now, but not traditional council. We try to yes, we try to. So you will be try to do for so propose. We are. I found out what traditional council now will be what in here. The American say, yes, I did. We are not pattern in a change in a mogo.
Cut down,
cut down, bobo. It is office of Orano. It is too good for you. You think it's very good. Fine. Over to me, Ashanema as a president. And yes, I did.
3.1.
And I said, CSO. And I said, Orano is CSO. Sir, I dear civil society organization. Civil society organization. See, Orano is a civil society organization. You can talk over to me, Casasa, or you find you may be. And I hear that's a volunteers. What is a volunteers? And I don't volunteers. I am a political party. Be and vigilante. I made my vigilante group. Or an vigilante group. Whom the Mrabian support to. That's it. And no crowd, I just also would keep Ora. Some of the Ora members have now been engaged By you have appointed some of them officially, like
Kofi
this will be
Boakye.
Kofi Boakye. See, why you know security couple? And is it going to be Ora, or is it going to be the security operational commander?
Maybe I do. Maybe
I
will see additional responsibility.
Massa. Now, guys, to be a security coordinator, and as a security couple, and as a director of operation, because as a market. You think it's an easy job? That position, and Lord come and our president. I'm not a director of operations. Director of operations.
Strictly in charge of security.
Yes, operations, security operations, and it's easy. It's not easy. More than mentioning to me, I saw my country woman and say, I dear Quentin now, Trahoma, we by problems. The mouth. I broke 2 minutes more dissolve. No, I reconstitute.
Sompa 93.1.
Mamma, my own photo, Honorable John Darko. Need your canyon and say, your timing. And I will be a running mouth, Quama, who share copim, who bet who contested as a flag bearer, or Marano baby, I will share copim. We need not Tapatemo, or Marano baby, I will share copim. Yet the Afranisha was an up obey president, I obey Marano baby, I will share copim. But baby, I will share Jumanwa, who was more pretty like a state institution. You don't have the power. You, as a president, you have the power to put in any group to do a special job for you, or any committee to do a special job for you.
Sompa 93.1.
But you don't have any power to put in any special group or committee for you as a president-elect. Because there's something in front of your president. It's called elect. It means you can't do anything. Now, Trump in the US, January
20th.
But you say, Massa, you are president-elect. Into Bibi how into me, into also my envoy, my no strike deal. Ukraine, Russia, war, as if all those things that you are doing are out of order and yet official. Until say on the 20th of January, you are sworn in as the president of the United States of America. You will be a court down Bobo.
Sompa 93.1.
Which made the court down Bobo as a president. But the BB obey piano and Yamraquem unless you regularize it. When he becomes president,
ratifies it when he becomes
president. If you want to ratify, he can't ratify. You need to regularize it. Because ratify that, you say now what say you so and now we maybe any consequence or yet only to me. So you can't ratify it. You have to regularize it and make sure the thing works.
What about those that say that when you go into our
Sompa 93.1,
we have free senior high school, which is operating, but a fake crown Ghana, Edinburgh, Ekwa Moko ye no cry Yankai. How do you juxtapose that to we? Though Mampeni Kufado, one a manifesto, so be Mampeni obey. Obedi Mampeni, one Yanu Chede, Obedi Mampeni, and away. I said, you can take a Kasawa Hasia, or say, a Brabiana free SHS, one society, you might. Oh, I know which is
Sompa 93.1.
And a man acquire money, yes, sir.
Okay.
What does he? And now you're to Abamano on the 7th January 2016. Now, I am Fanisia Comiaso, 7th January.
No, to mean a go for free SHS.
Not going to mean declare free SHS. Not even declare free SHS. Because not Odim Rebia. Or maybe I have one. No, Odim Rebia. But let me sound this caution to the NDC people. Me by now, it is all because we are for this Omuba and Ashanti region. They should be careful in Ashanti region. Because Ashanti is the stronghold of the New Patriotic Party. Yeah, but in terms of numbers,
Sompa
we have a
93.1.
lot of numbers in Ashanti region. Now the bad the local balance more, now the bad tradition more. Yeah, the dom ne kokon. They make out say. Said the obe boyura obi fie e wo voter region because of say MPP minority akọ more treating no. A different from say obi sia boyura obi fie was Ashanti region. Because Ashanti no, so we see ya otu bonkum tu ni fatu ni ni ma ne nkrofo mo twa no nyina MPP for. A dom kabo mo.
Do omo
yes. A dom kabo na obo before they say what o mani so dada. Ati eni so.
Sir.
Oh, ati obi eni so. Ati obi eni so.
Ombufu wie le to
ati obi eni so.
Ana
ati omo to aba no. Ati omo eni so say why?
Ade na ati omo.
Hey, master omo eni so tell to say
Ade.
see you doom light ni mienu miensa. Eliza would do so the buy mienu miensa no. Heat ni ka omo pe ana obi adwene da ho. Okay. I'm telling you, ati omo eni so.
Asembe na
Me say doom so no. ba mienu miensa pe no ana obia ni so te no
it's all mama got to abado and mama kwai on beto
akwa bia na bibo babele na as a last president for time o see na ruto at cray
they no all kind on beto
o see cray o mani so to mu
na abado ye to na be a o mani so to
o go fa ko na me abrande bi din gobo o see ni bako school last year oko afia ko bi din. So no, okay, let me put it that way. I'm married if you could be in Bako school last year. Ebioko University of St. Louis, Ebioko Prempeh College, Ebioko Hasi, Oko you know. Odi akwa go do an say, fa kwa ne maye. Neko bibia abanyafa. O se na ento bibia so aban betua. Ye o se no me ko ye, yesi development levy, yesi way. Na ma so sidiem. Ana me say, wo yo. Me say wo yo. Omanhene, you know me. So me metena han create story. There are voices. Brand TB was your friend we what na metie. O say ne ba de call ya kusika okotu e ko be 7,000. Na sana tie de no enyina be ka bo mu ne president your mama akoko ntokwa. There's a voice there. What do you say? Enti see ano. Me so obi ani so what the clear. Ye nyina ani so what clear. So na me jono. Enti omunhwe ye.
Ma me ka say mu. Enra ana na nsane ne ye di nkomo bi wa ha. Nana nkomo na koye te say Wesley Girls Senior High.
Sompa 3.1.
Obi sending message ema ne koye te say school no je nkwala bisika. Debi na nya sanete. Mi bore mu kodi nkomo. Na nkomo na mkodi en say on say tablet na e de ama nkwara no. E wo bag. E wo power bank. E wo charger. Accessories na ka ho any tablet na yama kwala bi na wo nkwala ne bi nye obi wan hwe obayira ne dia kofo obi di nti omo ka kire wo mo say awofo no omo ye PTI no parent teacher interaction say omo pese omo emboss you know accessories no bag no ne tablet na plus power bank no nti e bia ya wo no ebia se educate o number ye A2 to nim say power bank no A2 ye wo dia kankam de ye A4 enti no kankam ba na A4 kutawa ne de because kwala no bebre no ebi mu kra sadna no o ma yira o mu power banks ni ade o mu wie ankrofo de ebi twa kokreti enti o mu de to awofo na nim 10 CDs pe TMO 10 CDs and omo kire say enkwala ni bi nso enam say tablet wo omo no omo ko omo rooms they go to certain sites any so omo ko e wo say parental guidance ba ho ti IT for no omo be ye na be ka kire omo say and the omo betimi aye a monitor a block e bia omo ntimi nkwa yem fan to awofo nanim na omuntia sika omuntu be gadi very good and also say 60 Ghana a day it's here no ena omo kacha awofo bi na awofo no ebi di bible ntin say aban no lap tablet na wo de abre wo mo no yesi enkwala ni ntia kenti no time bi o metia 80 cedis be pamcho entisa
Omanhene
be cho me ba Debbie I did my investigation. Said I can come say won't try. I want to let it go, sir. I want to go to say I'm buying whether I'm a pay your mama or the previous government. For tablet, be a so tiaka. And every school be our cocrano. They are not doing the embossment. Until any be a all out. But school when I realize to say. Oh, ha no biaba say obia for the power bank. Or say any dia proof any dia and say this na white. This na blue. Too bad I can say oh dia. Say I'm boss na edin wo ho dia. You know say I say educate B1 student number go ho obia ntimi fa. Enti misramo a de be to dwa no enye sa say.
Omanhene. Na me tie panyi bobu baby na me de pa. O si kro be hu. Bahabehu na de omia so bete ne kankan pa ekwan fa so edigiska for I may so rest in peace former chairman of NDC baako no we never know.
There are so many ways of
killing a cat.
Where the encounter.
Oh, they say.
Where the encounter.
And two madam chess school any ICT teachers all. No
ICT teachers.
Now, oh, your parental control no. Master, you correct your parental control no. To block children from going to a certain site no. Saying DNA. We need that amount of money.
They need a special app.
A special app. We don't need Master say,
they need money test and a special.
I'm not BBC.
I was
not born in computer. I was not born. As I was saying, you know, Omunya very cautious about the way they would deal with it in Ashanti region. So Omunya say, Accra, the balance is 50-50. In Zambia, when you accept the same mobilization, when you the same group,
Sompa 93.1.
But in Ashanti region, the balance is big. It was 33%. 33% matches 60-something%. 67%. Into me. So what I mentioned, you're very careful.
That's all one cast on mobile Bessian Concro.
There be baby the aura no
yeah. The
aura ne yeah.
Now information war obi won Ashanti region. Now they are come out.
How say why honorable Dakomono they are talking about the excesses. One, who need to me bia. I didn't know you know illegal in terms of law or in terms of
constitution.
One will say constitution no Emma President Mahama Kwan say
Sompa 93.1
put in a committee. Yeah. At the point in that President Kofo put in the reconciliation commission. You know now professors they were backed by law. And when they were calling people in a nice way. But if you refuse to come out, then they will subpoena you through because they were having the law behind them, and I said the law was backing them. No,
John Mama should do the needful.
So what is preventing him from doing the right thing? We do onion ye.
I don't know. Take a conference.
Honorable Ken. Minimum pass the Medicaka or Casapa. Minimum very well. So, by a national organizer, and then this if we're in a year, obey me a high. And your campaign, I may a man, we see minimum.
Oh, one of the organization. Yes, organization there. Why are you fire rage, Auntie?
My main council be honorable Ken, some more kind. Say, Ashanti region no more. Into Munya very careful. Midin who yaw pa be brave. Asante region ko and a greater Accra ko ana. Yenina Ghana. Ya di tumi ama mampanyin say, "O me ye adwuma wo Ghana."
Sompa 93.1.
Asante not part of Ghana.
It is.
E dey be na usuru, e dey be na wo haw. Say o ya sapon no oni say. Anyway, any say. Tie ni ye. Enkrofo no say, "Ye beji information." Yen kan say be prosecute obi. They don't
even have prosecutorial powers. They don't even have it.
To even summon people.
But they've not summoned people. Ora have not summoned. They said, we are an outfit. If you have information, bring it. So it's not. It's voluntary. Ken, yeah, voluntary.
No,
the man is a concern. The dimwa also battle day. Nani background also what all day.
And will be a good also a good body number come up on the now go your
microphone is off on the floor.
Sounds different from the Kosovo. Ora for number every region.
Yeah,
I could gather information.
Obana also nkwa onyohwe.
One day one
Obetu abetra Asante region. Obi ansi ho. No call the baby.
They will can as we incite Asante region for against Ora team members. There be say I had here omunye very careful na hanti say Greater Accra. Anabota region na be NDC for dominating.
That's Accra Oba. Why you
very good. Over now, I mean, say yes, Honorable Ken. asokware man ponsa ase nyina wa top mpe brudu
enfa me example dem example bia
David Busani say why no offer the go
ni mi say wo de wunye bi
ave na me fa me example ave wahala obi asore papa oduru ho
onyesa
okay
na what the prayer ora for no ni age omo so e de akoma omo be investigate munye hwehwemu we ye ko kumase obi de ade we e ba fa akan ho enti mun ko hwehwem se ye nokura ye ba na nya nokura se bi se ohun so nsa abrobe obi
Sompa 93.1.
Nemo ye nokura se wo obi di a ene enti nam se ye pa ya fase a tano wada ohwi ankro mo monti ase
okay mama ni jaga kramra ken Kumawu Traditional Council and Local Council of Churches at the annual Kumawuman Prayer and Thanksgiving Service eba na mia mahadie nyina very much support trebu akodia Omanhene and President of Kumawu Traditional Council na se wan ponsa Kumawu Manhema Reverend Alex Boakye Chairman Local Council of Churches and Spirit Life Community Head Pastor Kumawu ana to safre Kumawu man nyina se emre na so se ade enase kese ema otwedi ampon anunti botaya das no say and God said unto Moses I am that I am ya to safre Archbishop Akwesi Asabedi Akon General Overseer Resurrection Power a Living Bread and founder of Evangelism for Kingdom Living
Sompa 93.1.
Father Francis Otuo Serebo ena Honorable NS Yawanim MP na ya ton safre Hanamafo ena Daughters of Glorious Jesus enya sem ketwa kra 20th January ewo Kumawu taxi station no me ensampa mu pepe 3:30 na ye sori awurade annual Thanksgiving oh Kumawu Omahunu say afena no ahia wo se da nyame ase eno nti eto safra mu nyina mo mekan ho e mpegya awurade din 20th of January
Sompa 93.1.
entire Kumawu town e shefufuo ni ehim daughters hu nyum hanamafo hu nyum na sofopani Kwesi Asabedi Akon ensu edi anim na ode ye abompaye adanyame ase Obo Herbal Medical Research Center obo ano hyehyw wa utiminya profuse heartbeat palpitation heart pain your friend angina chronic headache migraine fatigue and dizziness just o blood pressure ebo jabro so na esichire ya just bibia how bia no fakoda obo Herbal Medical Research Center your number is 0257 4720506 obehu ya wado ato adomanu kumase Castle Official Town and Crime Samson and Kranza NKZ headquarters adesma adwira kwanso shano so se de prekese powder any Odin herbabites abedwaso me come for 21st clinic amawa na me catch you say entra emasiatica ni wunya bomodina nefa koda 21st clinic no ni wakagiremu obomodin ade abibidro kan emfidie ya massage ne machine ahodo sisi so obehwe lab by scan na wo wi ade abibidro kan account 0540 311311 Ebasiatica 21st clinic we are expert 0540 311311 3A Herbal Center the 3A co capsules aba your friend Coco Master eyi pains no ahye Coco na se enka bababa oyem so ntim tutumi nom kwa adwuma bomodina se colonel Dani Miss Senior Pedan ko benya bie 0546107107 3A co capsules afei oho to 2
Sompa 93.1.
sasabro uda okon aha me ha ya me ya nyina da wonya Dawood 360 capsules any Dawood ointment wonom topaye no na wo de nkunu so etwi na wasori waka wo na wo sene no wo buy a hospital wo se hwe asanwene so a how bia yade bia fruit so be pem na ase be boa ejo so krapanso ye wo for 0244886437 off sister wo buy tie me Oko hospital doctor say when your ovarian cyst remember how shall see no offices e be ma wo nkosi ato aye kama pa okunu so mu a timkeja ata won ni atenka wow so with the balance mood 2 minutes now both 3 minutes now was enye kra wo ne ye frɛ no mood swing ano den e ba sa ani je kra ni awade mu bomodin nya offices nenom afei ubu unsa waya si chaw de na wo kem cramps ahodo total discomfort uhia offices ye di nromienu abadwa so medma tablet eno no ye malaria duro enkwala no enom suspension no na mpanimfo so enom de tablet no o ya answer what test ya 0596607858 0596607858 a 3D yade ne de time time herbal mixture time wonya na se wodidi a wonte de onum ato a bomodena nanunum bi eno ano no se malaria yituo afei wadu se won komo akofom no ensansan bi gugu private pass ne bia a enso ni wonya time herbal mixture ene ne capsules a topa ya ni nsuo wona wose no time herbal mixture time herbal mixture on the friend 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ye twi ase yaza toothpaste and toothbrushes there were 3 variants total care toothpaste and no enema kakanye wo eno nema niema nkwose ose ase eno so nema ntokro na osim afei white ne mema ose aye fita kama na heba no so ama ose na gina odenden a entuo omodin se obenya prince monarch duke duchess and kiddie brushes eno na obefre 0302235296 Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush wa yema ye wo ya che wo honoma ase bibini na moyem wo honoma no wani so achiwu o da wona ho kan ceiling yani e wo mu ase bibi na mominim e wo ho ase wachiri bremu kase ne ye wo ya e ye wo se yabo dua dabi e ye ulcer symptoms and I make catch the one and not for any second floor Wallace Towers the chem so menshia health insurance can die anymore stomach ulcer there edimpa ya said that kwadare mu ye enunti ena frɛ 0245 118434 also atena so ache emfa nya me yade ebetimi how papa obo a obo hunu no afon je se wonya HIV bi anase yade bia o e ulcer wontumi ne di aduane no ba se bedidi a na a signal kɔ ne yafrum no aduane no kra atena ni so ko eto ne yam a obebunkam sa 0245 1184 34 0246 744 744 afei fibo benches yeah the asphalt tnie okodwa so now so pe toothbrush edini asphalt toothbrush and afri fresh herbal toothpaste e medicinal e ho den be bo se ho ban kama wanum beti wati biedi enti fibo benches dia abadwa so yi now the wani kire porcelain o tom brushes ne toothpaste na no akoto no dosopo Frelinda 0535 452263 0535 452263 afei one so yasene eme de birthdays no ebrel no eye Tony Sack Electronics na Tony Sack na top property a tie me obo on ma okoto ade won wa ne se yesi hwan ahye yesi hwan say unto home appliance or Tony Sack on ma warranty the 1 year no kra wo hia 4-5 years now that you use electric iron and hun kaye asiye kama wo blender blend kama wo microwave oven wo kettle wo rice cookers wo gas cookers washing machines ni nyina bo adwuma den abra wa top property electronics other brands so ewo ho bo modena se obefre 0204 292424 0244 119236 that's a Diana and G Hamilton. Se waje brand your property atuma e dey baby I me adoma February 23rd or the awake experience ever ewo Kumasi enya agrokra awake experience or the bad ten na dru oduma Just save the date, okay? Afei, yɛnhwɛ birthdays no. LeBron James, hey. Masa, afo bi din nyinaa sa. LeBron James is wapa o na brate won in height. Anyway.
Sompa 93.1.
Happy birthday to LeBron James from Kaka of Silver FM. Benis Enima of Kofi Chrome DA Primary. Eben Sioma Otrinkwa. Adepa Alberta. And then your birthday from Mandy. Hey, Mandy Drebole of Multi Credit Kuntanase branch. And then Adepa Alberta Adepa. Today is your birthday. Mandy of Multi Credit Kuntanase branch. So on far way and mount. Rubat Lubricants. The winner isn't the one with the fastest car, but the one with the strongest engine. Now, your engine oil, papa, you have to do Rubat. Mr. Uko Jasu Babia, Nasa Opesa Kano, Ejran in Nasuna, and Kotuchinimu. Now, engine, no, there be a wild one, dear boy, Juma. Oh, the engine oil in Guma, a got 10,000 miles and San was a sano. TMU Rubat, dear, Ubiajatum. Say, yeah. Diesel, another petrol, another day, Fako Dino. Advanced World Economy.
Sompa 93.
0592 350 916. 0592 350 916. Mami Brown Jane, get again. Oh boy, you know so. Oh my penny, I said, boss, can you be generous? And I said, Bob Bonani, and no, yeah, there's a boy bomb.
Why ne kan?
Why ne kan said that?
Can you know Bobo Bonani? Minuana.
Oh, Ghana for
Ghana for ne kan.
And say, na can you idea? You suma ebe no sufre.
Mati.
Oh my yeah, where say?
Mira no obada ben.
Oba na ye.
Sompa 93.1.
15 days. Onya na otwe mienu. Onya na otwe mienu kra.
Obi atena so emfie nwotwe. Na me ba na otwe mienu a.
Onya 7th and in so.
Okay.
And the day is 16th.
That's right.
And the last take say our 9 days.
Enti na ede bone no no waya kania no bonani a yede ho sobo e kobo no. De ono oba odi kan no. De odi eburo ba afie no. No ona de edi kan de ahwede ba afie no. No ona de anwansena baaye.
Ona de baaye.
Sompa 93.1.
Munchire me. Capacity dodo a MPP aban led by Yewura
Mampeni dada nanado.
Ode kan ho.
E wo mo de bi kan ho.
Ode saying capacity saying. Chire me. Okay. Bribia wo bia obi anim September John Dramani Mahama baaye ye mampanyin Mahama baaye no. Na bibia say ono na kan say obe fix ampan so fix yansa na oko obi adi adanse na ojama mfie nwotwe wanfa bia nka ho na me ba na wotwe ene nafu amienu na sekania no duma na yemia enyamia entu ono momse wo so bo bia yemfa mmọ yemampanyin dada na anu ya oko John Dramani Mahama still also obe fix it. Be man since you man san waham. Obeto yen o say me nya fe na me betwa adwadwo. Na maka se firi wa ana we na ye se me say de asie bia na meye. Efiri wa be kani adum na isa ba na.
Sompa 93.1.
Ohunu Nigerian president ene nakasa. Ohunu Equatorial Guinea president ne nakasa. Omo office on betimi aboa ya me ye kani asem no. Etimi agina bia no wahu omo ya wonu omo ekasa kasa na me nua na nya biribia o sabi atu abu gas no asai or they say independent power producers o maka to say omo machines no asai ana so glene wo mo akeka no e bi ye di wonka ani ye ntua ya banda dan na ntua na odi obi kana ya ntua na e den wo de kani anama enti bebre shate wo mo machines ni down yenyina ye yawe umama ye metum futuro mu Ghana fo ani biem yen ka nokore ba bia na wiase aduro no se nokore no ana ye de enante enti wo mo nantimi wo mo gya ye ka bebre na wo mo antu ya ka no ya papa ya ba ya fe na o ye ne kakra ya so se still anu okwa na wo kakasa ekokasa ai no e ka na ye de wo mo ye ntu ade ba do mama ye bre kakra na wo si ye de be maye tikani ana sa agina
e kura o ma suspend routine maintenance.
Sompa 93.1.
Because I know say yeah shut machines ni be down.
Yes. O ma suspend
very good. Enti ni nyina ya na montu ya yewura no otu ye na ame agina. Ye nya sika ne etuatua independent power producers ni nyina kan ne ade a kani asem ni nyina ebeko oman. Na me de Ghana for minim ya anom de enya ye ya ni ya start.
Oh, but MPP so far added about 400 megawatts of power.
Fine. Yan fan ready John Mahama yeah before 2016.
To the national grid. Yeah, 400 megawatts so
very
far.
good. Some added but enye pisa. Well be
your mama more.
Machines here.
But MPP by
Sompa 93.1.
70%
Apart
Kalio
from hydro
megawatts solar no near the MPP has done some.
Most of my be a fine. But enye na what we pay me buy. Any problem ne ba na ye.
Na say Kanye na duma mo bi fa so bon ko bo.
Da ho. Obi an fa so bo ma ban ya wa ba.
Kwabra akwasi kan kam. Eti wo ya say Kanye duma nkrofo ye you know. Den na mo free aban mo eni na otwe mo de so bo ko bo ma pen yo.
Communication for government in power. Yo. Agency edu pe ni.
Why the cast asem? Afezo Boakye.
Obeso try diplomatic.
Oh yeah.
Diplomatic.
Afezo Boakye na. Omo be so omo agree on bibi na. Otu won pin na Agboja. Na eyi na no so. Camera na no so na Abuja so. O say, "Hey, e no dey Abuja pa dey." Abuja no dey una opa me chewi.
O say, o abayu na be kan ha o. O you very careful about the way you turn out your communication, the times that you bring out.
Yes, I see do bad.
The one was he kasano na. I want para me. Any pay 2 busy Sunday po na around fi na. Why you say Omanhene?
Yes.
Mama ka say michiro.
Catch them.
MPP ever power in 2016 and about 2017. Na you do so more in series. Remember? The moment power was given to Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, do so ni jai. Remember apayenka.
By March.
A jai straight. You jai a jina so san can any jina so san come the tail end of 2024. For 7 years well and 8 years no. Now I say my name is a compliance in a setting say ni pani bini ni pa bi twitwi na kofa asamba yo. Ana make can say. Ana make asamba make can say.
$3.1 billion.
Ana make can say. So complacency say ka de e so hie. Unum abajo. Ana me betimi ado kasika bebre. But oba de wa besia kasa kire ho no. Ultimate human is na o person ka unya in your yourself card bechem but bia na baby a uja untimi first kan yede encheme kasa one me no sometimes na nipa dey be taking things for granted one me no me do ka me feel say me ya metua I have given you maybe a dedicated source of funding mama postdated checks mama will say on the mention mama payment planner obi enu a business I want a proper payment planner this one so on the mention no enti na make say bia eduru ba bi no na it say bi ni say complacency na say say nyoma bi ni anhwe ni you say dey you and man na ye dey eba ne sa I wasn't in charge of that position to me kan wasem dey make ati ase but wo so a wo kan wasem sesi mu a mo kan wasem sesi ye di 2 million den ama Bank of Ghana keys ye dey ama Volta sika gum nyina ye dey ama gold e Ghana ha nyina ye dey ama petrol Ghana ha nyina ye dey ama sika bi Ghana mu nipa nyina ni Ghana mu sasi nyina ye di nyina you have trusted as the president of the Republic of Ghana ye di mu army ni mu police nyina de acha wo de why commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces and the chairman of the Security Council any complaining it is too early for me to say NDC are buying no problem but the almost yes static kasa no I have the feel that they will fail.
Hey,
yes, I have the feel that they will fail. Look at what John Jinapo said at inauguration. What the war inauguration? You have an interview now. You have inauguration once a month. Because I have a surprise for you. The surprise I have for you is that I got 5 hours spent. Now Ghana, you fool in answer. Until the next 5 hours, you are BBA. You need to be in your light. You have called the Buku Doom.
Sompa 93.1.
I've heard your convert in your Kobusa. Or say that one was for one company. But the other companies, no more.
23 days.
They were having 23 days, and he just started adding the days to it. Because it was a car, no, say you import fuel, you need this number of months, you do this, you do
8
that.
weeks.
Meanwhile, 2 million the amount. Said the person you be fire. Well, be able to say, let's give the dog a bag name so that we will be able to find we can be able to hang it. That's what they were trying to do. But said it
will be too unfair
now,
on your
the other
part
way,
to also blame the
current
president. Why do you blame
the Bank of Ghana is getting amount?
It won't go to Bank of Ghana's cameras.
Now, Bank of Ghana is going to edit ya. Now, Uncle, not you just go with you. You did just go with you. Omanhene, now you just go with you. And I think you're not petrol. I will you. Ghana is carrying a ye ni editogu mu na Ghana is carrying editogu.
Na say ne oba e
Kana ni etuano. Kana ni etuano.
Is negotiating.
No, na wo ka say onim de kwa oba fa so oba ye o ma na office de ntia.
Na nya no oba ya wo yi.
You see, on top petrol ni. On top petrol on piaka no. Ghana is Kenya now. Ghana Japan now. All right. We are not in charge of Ghana now.
He is in charge.
He is in charge. We see the vote to Ghana, Bank of Ghana vote. See, Mami Cho. I said, Omanhene so Jessica Guma, Jessica is here.
Uncle Jessica for 10 billion. Mugo Chabia, Mobile Jessica Sabia. Mami Cho. Almost said that.
Yes, Adakato na de mami ya. Wa be dia adaka na de mami.
Entuma go for
what Adakato?
Ya akoso mo test house o fan tuma go adaka.
Eti abe na me so.
Ya de akoso mo test house now. Ya de akoso mo test house now.
Minister no pra won ko ho.
You di ade a o fa ka.
Minister no ya.
E ka ba o fa ajipade ba o fa. E ka ba o fa
Adakato no akoso mo
test house.
I was your fault. You need your buy your new watch. Honorable Akwesi Kennedy can come and I said you can take it out to your Mokano.
No, man can see the Biaman.
That's how many names of MC.
Me PMC. I was Swami here.
Okay.
My assembly mine for 8 years.
Okay.
Assembly need you.
A Juman so there's Swami have crow him there.
Obi ami wodi ni was Swami.
Obi anim.